Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to prevent your mouse from waking up your computer on Windows 10, Windows 8, or Windows 7. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu, type in Device Manager. Best result should come back with Device Manager listed right above Control Panel. So go ahead and left click on that to open it up. You want to locate the human interface devices here. Go ahead and double click on that. So if you're using a Bluetooth device for your mouse, you would go underneath human interface devices and locate the Bluetooth HD device. You'd right click on it, select properties, and then there'd be a power management tab. And you'd uncheck the option to allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Again, the name of this would be Bluetooth HD device or some derivative of that, so it would say Bluetooth in the name of it. However, if you're using a different type of mouse, if we close or minimize out of that, you can go down to mice and other pointing devices and then go underneath the mice here, select properties, and then if you had any power management tabs, you could just do the same thing that we did before. And finally, you can do the same thing for keyboards too. So if you expanded that and you did properties, again, if you had the option, you would be able to see that. It would be another tab that would say power management. So that is pretty much it, guys. So you will need to restart your computer for the change to take effect. And like I said, that should be it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.